What's next for a medical imaging system after it is deinstalled? At GE HealthCare, we are proud to give new life to 90% of the systems we retrieve, supporting a circular economy in healthcare through refurbishment, resale, and recycling. Our GoldSeal program, a pillar of our sustainability efforts over the last 25 years, plays a key role in this mission, making imaging systems available to more patients and communities. At our European Repair Operations Center, we give imaging equipment a second life by reconditioning systems, such as MRI, CT, and PET, to the highest industry standards. From minor updates to complete electronics renovation, each system is tailored to customer needs. By integrating the latest diagnostic innovations through hardware replacements and software upgrades, we provide advanced technology to healthcare organizations at a fraction of the cost. By choosing GoldSeal, you are not just accessing high-quality imaging tools, you're making a sustainable choice for your facility and the planet.
The cost of operating the machine is also really good. We never consider this machine as old. This whole machine is new except the magnet. And it's working as a new machine.
Wir haben uns für ein GoldSeal-Paket entschieden, weil das Preis-Leistungs-Verhältnis unschlagbar war. Zum anderen bekommen wir neueste Technologie bei gleichzeitiger Upgrade-Fähigkeit für die nächsten Jahre in einem Paket verkauft.
Explore our full portfolio of GoldSeal systems to meet your imaging needs. Contact your local GE HealthCare sales representative to learn more. GoldSeal by GE HealthCare, contributing to a healthier, more sustainable future for all.